Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. And press the bell icon for latest notification for out latest videos. Many men want to know how to attract women easily. Some men are lucky to have natural charm, but most have no idea where to start. If you want to know how to attract girls easily, you'll be happy to know that you don't have to be exceptionally handsome or charming. You just need to have confidence and self-confidence to attract women easily. Women are not as attracted to good looks as much as men, but to good personalities. Improve your personality and you can easily attract women. Here are some tips to get you started. Pay attention to your own body language. If you always stoop, look at your feet, hide your hands in your pockets, etc., you will not be able to attract women or girls easily. In fact, they won't notice you at all. If they do, they will see you as a nervous and inaccessible guy who is not worth his time. You should keep your head up when you walk and maintain eye contact with any woman who attracts your interest. Having a good posture will allow you to attract women easily. To easily attract women, you must make yourself as attractive as possible. However, the good news is that you don't have to look like a movie star to get a woman. What this means is that you cannot neglect your appearance. Even if you are not that handsome, you can easily attract girls if you have good personal hygiene and dress well. As silly as it sounds, practice talking to yourself in the mirror. This will help improve your social skills so that you always have something to say when talking to women. You can easily attract women if you always have a story to tell. Practice telling those stories in the mirror to be prepared to talk to women. Develop good listening skills, if you don't already have them. You can easily attract girls or women by listening to what they have to say. If you can focus on him and pay attention to everything he says, it will be easier for you to talk to him. Also, good listening skills require remembering. One of the best ways to easily attract women is to remember what they say. If a girl you like tells you about her favorite band, mention her music in later conversations. She will appreciate that you have remembered it. You don't have to be rich and have fancy cars to easily attract girls. However, you must make an effort to show him that he is responsible, ambitious, and hardworking. Women are attracted to men who can support themselves. If you can't support yourself, how can you expect to take care of a girlfriend? Always be positive when you are around a woman you like. You will never be able to attract women easily if you are any of the following: passive, fearful, complaining, controlling, or hateful. Never talk about things you don't like with a woman unless she asks. Just talk about things you enjoy if you want to attract women easily. Whatever you do, don't use cheesy pickup lines. If you want to attract women now, approaching her with a pickup line is a bad idea. Instead, walk over to her and ask her about the environment. If you're in a bookstore, ask him if he has any recommendations. If you're in a restaurant, comment on the menu. Or, if you feel bold enough, you can just walk up to her and introduce yourself.